In this video, I want to show you how to download the complete step-by-step WordPress user manual. So after you've made the purchase, you'll be taken to the dashboard in your members area. And all you need to do, we give you a little tour of the dashboard in another video. All you have to do to download the manual is come down here to where it says complete step-by-step WordPress user manual and click on download the manual link, and it will take you into the members area for the WordPress user manual. So all you have to do is then come down to the page and just click here to download. What this will do is this will give you a dialog box asking you where do you want to download your manual. And what we'll do here is I'll just show you how it works. Let's just go to, I've just set up a demo area where we can do this. So find the folder in your computer where you want to download the zip file. Click Save. Okay, the file will download, and once it's downloaded, you come up, open up your folder, and you just extract it. So let's just extract it to here. Okay, and once you've extracted it, just open up the extracted folder. And you can see here you're going to have a README file. So I recommend that you open it up and just read the file. It contains important information about the manual and where you need to actually go to register so that you can get updates. Also how to contact us, and just double click on the file, on the PDF file, and here you have the manual. Okay, so everything is now here, and you can see it's got over 500 pages. So all of the content is here. So takes you through all the instructions, and at the end of every module, at the end of every training section, you're going to come to a resources page, which basically gives you a list of in some of them will show you the documents that are contained in the manual, so that refers to other modules of the manual, other sections. And you also have tutorials that you can click on to get further information, step-by-step written tutorials with screenshots, all of that, and also videos. Now, in order to access the videos, you'll need to become a member of the WP Masterclasses membership video membership site, and there are instructions on how to do that also in the materials that when you're on your download materials. So anyway, hopefully this has given you a quick overview of how to access your manual. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, get in touch with us, and we'll help you out. So thank you very much for watching this video.